Asafotufiam Festival. Asafotufiam, also known as Asafotufiami, is a traditional festival celebrated by the people of Ada in the greater Accra region of Ghana. The festival is observed annually in the first week of August and marks the historic migration of the Ada people from their original settlements to their present location. Asafotufiam is a colorful and vibrant event that serves multiple purposes, such as preserving the history and culture of the Ada people, promoting unity, and fostering development in the area. Background and significance. Asafotufiam traces its roots back to the migration of the Ada people, who were part of the larger Ga-Adangbe ethnic group. They had initially settled around the Oyibi area, but were forced to move due to tribal conflicts and the search for fertile lands. The festival commemorates the wars fought by the ancestors of the Ada people during their migration and serves as an occasion to remember and honor their bravery. The word Asafotufiam is a combination of three words in the Dangme language: Asa, meaning war; Fotu, meaning firing of guns; and Fiam, meaning festival. The festival's name reflects its central theme, which is the celebration of the military prowess and victories of the Ada people's ancestors. Celebration and activities. The Asafotufiam Festival is celebrated over a week, with various activities taking place throughout the event. Some of the main activities include: 1. Libation. The festival begins with the pouring of libation to the ancestors, seeking their blessings and guidance for the community. This act is performed by the traditional chiefs, elders, and priests. 2. Procession. A colorful procession takes place featuring warriors dressed in traditional attire, firing muskets and performing war dances. The procession is accompanied by the beating of drums, singing, and dancing, creating a lively atmosphere. 3. Reenactments. The Asafotufiam Festival includes reenactments of historic battles, showcasing the military tactics and bravery of the Ada people's ancestors. These reenactments serve as a reminder of the sacrifices made by the ancestors and instill a sense of pride in the community. 4. Cleansing rites. Traditional purification rites are performed to cleanse the community of any misfortunes and ensure a prosperous year ahead. 5. Durbar. A grand durbar of chiefs and people is held where the paramount chief, Nene Ada, sits in state. The durbar is marked by traditional drumming, dancing, and speeches by the chiefs and other invited dignitaries. 6. Thanksgiving. The Ada people offer thanks to their gods and ancestors for their protection, guidance, and blessings. This is done through prayers, offerings, and sacrifices. 7. Festivities. Throughout the week, there are various festivities, including football matches, boat races, beauty pageants, and musical performances by local artists. Cultural and social impact. The Asafotufiam Festival plays a crucial role in preserving the rich history and cultural heritage of the Ada people. It serves as an opportunity for the community to come together and celebrate their identity, fostering unity and promoting social cohesion. The festival also has a significant economic impact, as it attracts tourists from around the world, boosting local businesses and creating job opportunities. Additionally, the Asafotufiam Festival has become a platform for addressing developmental issues in the area, with local leaders and politicians using the occasion to discuss and implement projects aimed at improving the lives of the Ada people.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am thrilled that you have decided to join my community of viewers and subscribers. On this channel, you will find a variety of content that I hope will inform, entertain, and inspire you. From educational videos to entertaining vlogs, there's something for everyone here. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. You'll also have access to exclusive content and behind-the-scenes footage that I don't share anywhere else. So hit that subscribe button and join our community. I can't wait to share my passion with you and get to know you better. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.